Princess Sheegwa. Princess Sheegwa? Oh, Princess, your beautiful taste is most desired. Which color would you choose to recover the furniture in the palace? Which color would you choose to recover the furniture in the palace? Oh, thank you so much, Princess Sheegwa. Your taste is impeccable. I knew purple would be better. I'm firing that designer today.
They sound like they're having fun.
There you go, my little one. You must be missing your family.
Did you send out all the invitations for the presentation ceremony, my dear husband?
Oh, yes. All the dignitaries in the province should be here. Because of our Princess Sheegwa. Think of all the fame I will have.
We will have.
Oh, yes, of course. All the fame we will have.
Sagwa?
I know.
Yes, and I want to remind you to be on your best behavior at your sister's presentation ceremony.
Imagine a princess in the family.
I'm not going.
Don't be silly, Sagwa. It's a very important day, and you're her big sister. You have to be there.
We should hurry if we're going to finish writing the presentation scroll.
Oh, yes. We'll finish this up and expect to see you there.
Whoa! You should see what Sheegwa will be wearing during the ceremony!
So?
Oh, I forgot. You're jealous.
I'm not jealous.
Then go and see her. She really misses you.
She's a princess now. Why would she miss plain old, normal, boring me?
She's all alone. And besides, after the ceremony, she won't be living at the palace anymore.
She won't? What do you mean?
No. As the princess of the province, she'll have to spend a lot of her time away from home.
This can't be true. I remember when we used to spend all day playing together. Oh, well. She laughed at all of my jokes. Look at me! I'm the foolish magistrate! Sheegwa needs her big sister. Is she really going away?
Yes.
Then I better make the most of the time I have left with her.
That's more like it!
Come on, let's go!
Stop! I will give the princess her bath. After all, I am the magistrate.
Uh-oh, Sheegwa hates taking baths, except when Mama gives her one. They don't know what they're in for.
Come now, princess. You have to be presentable for the ceremony.
Careful! Don't hurt the princess.
Fine, Princess Sheegwa. You win. I just want to make sure your birthmark is clean for everyone to see. This can't be. It washed off. That's not a birthmark. That's dirt. You're not the princess at all. You're just a kitten.
No!
Oh, I so wanted to be famous and powerful. Who's going to want to see a cat with a smudge?
Bless you, and don't forget to shake your fur.
I'm sorry you're not a princess anymore.
I'm not? Oh. It'll be okay, though. You can come and play with us now. Really? Yay! I'm sorry I didn't visit you. I guess I was mad that you were getting all the attention. Well, to tell you the truth, being a princess is pretty boring. And even though they brought me special fish to eat, it didn't taste half as good as the fish you caught for me. Well, why don't we go and catch you a fish right now? I'd love to! I bet it'll be the biggest fish ever!
Ow.